More than a year before Anderson Aldrich killed 5 people at Club Q, Aldrich terrorized his own family. Well, today the courts released a sealed document outlining Aldrich's arrest last year. Until now, leaked excerpts and ring video from a standoff were all that was known about that encounter. This newly released document paints a picture of an extremely violent and dangerous person. Aldrich's own grandparents said that they felt like hostages in their home. Despite this, charges were dismissed. Alan Janae has spent the day reviewing that case for us. Joins us now tonight. Alan, many people knew that Aldrich was capable of this violence that we saw in Colorado Springs.
Well, you know, in these 133 pages, Karen, there are affidavits, there are court filings, there are even letters. Allegations in the standoff at the grandparents' home from June of last year include Anderson Aldrich saying a move to Florida they planned would interfere with bomb making, then claiming a box contained a bomb powerful enough to blow up a police department and a federal building, and more. A lot.
The mind of Anderson Aldrich may further be revealed in the records of the June 2021 arrest. When sheriff's deputies were called to the family home, the grandmother told dispatchers Aldrich had threatened to kill them and said Aldrich told them he was going to be the next mass killer. But ultimately, said District Attorney Michael Allen, the grandparents could not be compelled to testify against Aldrich.
Without those witnesses getting on the stand, there's no way to get a conviction on those charges.
Allen said the same people would have to help in creating a red flag protection order removing guns.
Those people would also have to testify in that case as well.
There were others trying to stop Aldrich, though. In a letter sent to the court in November by the brother and sister of the grandparents, they asked that Aldrich not be released and wrote that the grandparents were scared. My brother and his wife had to sleep in their bedroom with the door locked and bat by the bed, wrote the brother and sister. Family said police called by a counselor wanted to take Aldrich into custody on a 72-hour hold, but, quote, the grandmother would not let him be taken. Family said the grandmother said she had given him $30,000 recently, much of which went to his purchase of 2 3D printers on which he was making guns. In both the shooting at Club Q and in the incident with the grandparents, investigators said there were ghost guns.
Now, the Sheriff's Department could also have pursued applying for an extreme risk protection order known as the red flag law, but it did not. However, it did refuse to give Aldrich back guns requested when the case was dismissed. And at the time of the Club Q shooting, those guns were still with the sheriff's office.
All right, Alan, thank you.